Come on, please. Get in.
Get in?
Don't question it. Move! Ever hear of ladies first?
Close it!
I smell trouble. My portrait? Who would do such a thing? Ugh, those rotten kids. Huh? That's odd. They didn't lock their stuff? These kids never learn.
Spider! Gross!
It's just cobwebs. Relax.
What is this place?
Pretty spacious, right?
I guess. Oh, is that a mouse? Help me!
A mouse? Seriously?
It's got teeth and stuff. Whatever.
Get it together. Cobwebs don't scare me. Get out of here. So many of them. Yuck.
What are you doing over there? Cleaning isn't the worst idea. In fact, I'll do more than clean. Ever hear of thinking outside the box and dirt? This place has some potential, I think.
Hey! Do you mind? I still have work to do. This should be the last of it. Oh, didn't see this piece. Is it stuck? I can't believe it. Just look.
You call that art?
It's me and the team.
I hate it here.
I love it. Hey, what's this? A memory box? No harm in a little snooping. What's in here? Whoa, jackpot. Just look at all this.
Huh? What the?
Sorry. Check it out. Noodles, my favorite. Smells ready. These things are cooked. Woohoo! Chopsticks, get in there. Just look at that steam.
You and your noodles.
Actually, I have a better idea. I love noodles so much, I'm taking things to the next level. Boom! Noodle explosion! Haha! I'll need bigger chopsticks though. How's that for wall art? You like?
That's crazy. And so unfair. What about me? Is it raining in here? Oh man, a storm's coming. Which isn't bad news. I love a good disaster. Just watch and learn, people. Shall we play a little game? I just need you a little closer. Haha! Yep, a little more. A little bit more. There, these clouds are pretty sick. Dark and gloomy is so my vibe. Unlike you. Hey, you smell that? Uh-oh, that's a little ripe. Yikes. Oh, thanks. Hold on, I got it. Yeah, jealous?
Kinda.
No peeking, okay? Wait, this is your color.
Yep.
Ooh, not this one. Too cheerful. Gross.
Hey, watch where you throw this stuff.
Don't be so dramatic. I've got the perfect solution.
Wait, I have an idea. This t-shirt, get rid of the scraps and move it on over here. Now we have to attach them. Good thing I paid attention in sewing class. In we go. This is gonna be awesome. Just a few more stitches. Okay, there. I did it, see? It's the perfect bedspread. I even made a pillow to match. You like? Super cozy. I love it. What do you think?
Huh? Oh, good job.
Okay.
Forget your weird patchwork. This is way more me. I may be dark, but I like to get cuddly too. Huh, what?
Nothing. I just want to add this. It's cute. According to me, at least.
Oh, I'll do you one better. Ta-da! That's much better.
Things are really coming together.
Just stick to your side, okay?
Not a problem, Jinu. I've got stuff to do over here, anyway.
Yeah, whatever, Rumi. Hey, come here for a sec.
What? You want this? Fine.
Got it. Thanks. And just like that, sort of celestial, don't you think? Goes great in here.
How'd you do that?
There's more. Look.
Wow, I could use something like that. Oh no, it's all broken. Bummer.
We can't all be as talented as me.
I guess. What about all this stuff? Things are looking up. I love all the colors. Just look how they flow in the wind. Like magic. Look, cool, right?
Not too bad. Oh, I need a rug. Really warms up the place. See?
A rug? Is there one under here? Or just a bunch of old cardboard? It's so cold and empty in here.
That's too bad. You know what? I'm not all bad. This should warm you up.
That's so nice. Maybe he does care.
Don't get used to it.
I know just what to do. When in doubt, braid it out. This will give things great texture. Just a few more to go. Just like doing my hair in the morning. There, we've got a braid, people. A big one. And just like that, it's a luxurious rug. Fantastic. So cushy, too. Impressed? It's just what I needed.
Yeah, obviously.
Hey, the sun is setting. It's nighttime already? Goodbye, light, and hello, darkness.
Yikes, I'll handle this. There!
Yeah?
Hello? Lights?
It's not working.
I can't feel my palms.
Anyway.
Let me think. We need light? Then I'll get us some light. Package incoming. Down here. Come on. Got it. Just wait.
Is it good?
I'd say so.
Ooh, it's pretty.
Hey, you take it.
Really? Thanks. It'll go perfect by the bed. I could watch those stars for hours. And I will.
My pleasure. And I have one too. Just look how mesmerizing. Wait, that's it. Well?
Yeah, it's pretty cool. Especially my side.
Mine too, Rumi.
It's so me.
And so is this.
It's just perfect.
You can say that again.
Nice work.
Ditto.
Wait, down here. A bunch of toys.
Let's see them.
It's an old school picture. But who is it?
Looks familiar. Oh my gosh. She's a lot younger, but it's her.
What?
She wears glasses now. It's the principal! Can you see it now?
This is her old stuff.
Me too. Oh boy. Opportunity coming through. Welcome home, honey pie. Not just yet. Oh, of course. Just give me a second. Is this enough? I've been saving. Ah! It's fine. Give me that. Okay, in you go. Good luck. You're gonna need it. Hushy, hushy. Oh my. Like I said, good luck. Wait, what? That's not good. Nope. Gah! What the? Sorry. Ah! Save me! That thing had a tail! I can't! Okay, let me handle this. We just need a little separation between foot and floor. There, that's more like it. Nifty, huh? You good, bro? Whoa! Did you make these? Just for me? I hope they fit. Right foot? Very nice. Whoa, I'm so high. I'm like a giant. Easy, easy. It's giving style, baby. Just look at these moves. Nothing furries touching these feet. Oh, happy to help. Oh, yeah. Oh, wait. Honey, there's something over there. Still scared? I get it. Let there be light. Better? What on earth? This place is a pigsty! Ah! It's disgusting! Stuff everywhere! Junk on junk on junk! Are those clothes even clean? It's gonna eat us alive! Ew, ew, ew! It's never ending! Well, it started with me. Hold on, I gotta get in here. Ooh. How did this happen? Hold on, BRB. Oh boy. Okay, this is better. Any laundromats around here? Oh, hello there. You have something for us? What does it… Oh. Is that an armoire? Wait, what about that box? Let's see. It's a pretty nice size, which is good news for me. And luckily I've got lots of hot glue handy. There. First part done. Just a few more. And boom! Up we go! A rung and 2 doors. And we've got ourselves an armoire, folks! Can't forget the handles. This makes it perfect. Ready? Ta-da! Big load coming in hot. And I've got plenty more coming. Progress, people. It's giving organized clean. And just like that, done. Impressed? There's literally a spot for everything. And you know what that means? No more mess. Nothing but clean and organized. So beautiful. Our first piece of furniture. It's great, right? Well done. Whoa! It's so beautiful. Wait a minute. Things are moving so fast. What day is it again? Ugh, too much! I gotta keep track. How many Mondays? Sundays? It goes by so fast. What month is it? Not right now. 23, 24… What? Another message? What is this? I sure could use a calendar. Ugh. Come on, let's get out of here! Woohoo! Look how fast! Hold up. Let me just adjust one thing. Got it! See? Hey! What happened? Ugh! You'll be okay. I have work to do. And the name of the game? Layers! Okay, next. This part is all about the details. And layers, of course. Great! Now put these 2 pieces together. And check this out! Hanging months and dates. No more mystery days for me. See? It's the 25th. My guessing days are over, people. What a relief. Hey! Oh boy. What? I made a calendar. Now we can keep track of the days. Pretty cool, huh? Wow! This is incredible! Let me try. Wow. Anyway, hungry? Wait, burgers? Yes, please. I thought you'd like this. Oh! Well, that's not good. Definitely not. What can I make with this? Something fantastic, obviously. See how everything has a spot? Now we have a perfect balance. Are you sure? How strong is it? Oh! It works! Introducing our new table! Lunch is officially served. See? Come and get it! Wait! No! Don't sit! Phew. Close call. What's up with you? You deserve a chair. Just give me a sec. Ta-da! All these layers make it strong. Plus, it looks awesome, too. Wanna give it a try? Take a seat. Well, what do you think? Feels pretty nice. I love it! Well done! Only one thing left to do. Not with these. Cheers! Sweet, salty heaven. Not bad at all. Very nice. Oh, what's going on up there? Oh boy! Flowers coming in hot. Pretty. I know, but I can't just hand over some flowers. Yep. Wait, what's in here? Oh my! Directions! I got it! Time to fancy this vase up. Because plain glass is so boring. Am I right? Plain cardboard is not too exciting either. But I'll fix that. She's gonna love this thing. Especially with these gorgeous flowers. It's perfect. Hey, what do you think? Huh? Is that for me? Look how beautiful these are! And that vase! Yup, good looking out. So sweet. I love you, I love you! Oh, message received. And while we're at it… That's hardly ambiance. Come on! Nothing? Ugh. Ah! That's less than ideal. Oh! So much for romance. Bummer. Huh? What's going on over there? Hey, that's just it! I'm taking this into my own hands! Much better. Whoa! Check that out! Things are getting crazy out there! Oh! How will I ever give my girl a comment? That new hubby award goes to me.
Huh? What is it? Another message? Well, this is interesting. Oh, of course! I'm finally seeing the light! And soon, he will too. Light and love, baby! Just a couple easy steps. And boom! All done! It's just so simple. He's gonna love it. Honey, over here.
What?
I made us some ambiance. Oh yeah!
Whoa! That's incredible! Let's do this!
Get it?
Ha!
Take me away, honey! Our first dance as a married couple. So romantic. Take me in your arms. I'll take that. Worked like a charm. And it matches our decor, too. Perfect and purple.
Ugh, look at all this filth.
Tell me about it.
I want to see those bare walls. Ditto.
Finally.
So much potential.
So much.
Ugh. Excuse me? You think you're so important? I'm choosing inspiration. And a little imagination, of course. Let's keep on rolling. I'm getting a little dizzy here. Phew. Well done. And now, some color. And dip. Gorgeous. But you know what? I think bigger's always better. Done and done. And 5's better than 1. Finally, a place for all our knickknacks. Aren't we adorable? Hey, do you like?
Like? I love! It's us, baby! All of our things, our home, our past, present, and future. It's just perfect.
I'm so glad you love it!
Hey, look! Real gold!
No way! I found one too! It's… Hey, not cool! My coin! Huh? What's up there? Whoa. Are you seeing this? It's incredible! And it's ours!
I can't believe it! Look!
What's going on in there? Whoa! I see gold! I gotta get me some of that. Come on, let me in! Open up! Come on!
Woohoo!
Is someone at the door? Howdy! No thanks. It's fine. Where were we?
Yay! Best day ever! Best house ever! Best life ever!
Best marriage ever!
You can say that again!
Yeah, make it rain, honey!
Look at our beautiful space!
And it's all ours!
I love it!
Why stop at the cash? Look at this box!
My cardboard cutie!
Could I be any happier?
Watch out!